Here's a pair of the Bose Ultra Open Earbuds. I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset. You want to do a factory reset if you have issues pairing or connecting or can't get it into pairing mode, or maybe one of the buds is not working or it's out of sync, maybe it keeps disconnecting, and so on. Anyway, the factory reset is very simple, okay? So what we're going to do is we have to leave the buds in the case, and there's a button on the back here. What we have to do is open the lid, leave it open, and then press and hold that button for 20 seconds, or basically just wait until we get two lights on here that go white, white. And we have to do that 3 times, okay? So we'll do it together here. Let me go ahead and close the lid. Let me wait till the light turns off here. Okay, now I'm going to open it up. And now that button in the back, press and hold, ready, go. Press and hold. Now I'm holding that button here on the back. I'm just going to keep holding until I get a double white light, blink white, white, okay? So you got to hold about 20 seconds, but just wait till it blinks white twice, all right? So I'm still holding the button here. Okay, there's 1, 2, it blinked twice white. I'm going to let go. Now I'm going to press and hold again now, second time, and it's blinking slow blue here. I'm just going to wait till it blinks white again twice, and then I'm going to let go. Just wait. Okay, 1, 2 there. Now I'm going to press and hold again. Last time. Now I'm going to press and hold. Now I'm going to keep on holding. I'm going to wait till it blinks white, white. Keep holding. Then it's going to turn amber. I'm still going to hold, and then it's going to turn off. So I'm going to keep holding until it turns off now. Okay, so just wait here. I'm still holding onto the button. White, white. I'm still holding. And then we should get amber here. Oh, that was an amber. And now it just turned off. Now go ahead and let go and give it a moment. And the factory reset is complete. Now, once it's complete, it'll automatically go into pairing mode where it's blinking blue like this, okay? So we're back into pairing mode. Now, the thing is, before I did the factory reset, I was connected to this Samsung Galaxy S25. So if I want to connect back to this phone here, I should go to Settings, Connections, Bluetooth, and then, you know, I was paired here before, so I have to go here, tap on the Bluetooth settings there, and I'm going to unpair. If you're on an iPhone, just forget this device. Basically, we're going to delete it off of this phone, remove, and now if I want to connect back, it's in pairing mode, I should be able to connect back. There we go, Bose Open Earbuds. I'll pair it back to this phone, and now I am back in business. Pretty simple.